Okay, now Samsung recently released the One UI 8.5 Beta 6. And with that beta, they removed a very essential, a very important feature or an option called Clear Cache Partition. Now this feature is something which everybody may not be aware of. Clearing cache partition on an Android phone is a method which will help us remove temporary system data and residual files from the phone. It helps us speed up the slow performing device, resolve app crashes and free up storage space. Now all these can be done by performing a very simple step called Clear Cache Partition on your Galaxy phone or any other Android phone. And now Samsung has just removed this option and this is not really good. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Here I've got the Galaxy S24 Ultra currently running on 8.0 stable version. What we're going to do now is we are going to fix the cable here and I will fix the other end of the cable to a laptop. In this case, I'm using Mac. You can connect it to Mac or Windows. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the phone. Just power it off. Now, Clear Cache Partition can be accessed by entering into recovery mode. For that, what you need to do is you need to press and hold on the volume up button and the side key simultaneously. And once you see Samsung logo, you have to release the side key. There it is. I'll release the side key here. Just keep pressing the volume up button. Here it is. This is the recovery mode and this is where you get to see Wipe Cache Partition option. It's in a very tiny font. I hope you're able to see it. We've got reboot system now, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition. Now wipe cache partition is something which you can perform anytime you see an issue with the device, if your device is performing badly, if it is hanging, having some issues, if you want to clear the app data, if your apps are crashing on your device. Basically to make your phone run better, you can wipe the cache on your device and that's the option which is available on all the Galaxy phones. But with this new update here, let me just go ahead and do the same, perform the same steps here as well. Let me connect another cable here to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is currently on One UI 8.5 Beta 6. Let me go ahead and turn off the phone. Now let's enter into Android recovery mode. Press and hold on the volume up button and side button simultaneously. You will see the Samsung logo now and release the side key here. There it is. This looks different compared to what we see here on this phone. You can see you've got multiple options here on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's One UI 8.0, whereas here on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we just have reboot system now, wipe data factory reset and power off. Now we have also lost this option, apply update from ADB and apply update from SD card, which means we can't install or sideload the operating system using ADB method or from an SD card. So that has also been removed on the latest One UI 8.5 beta. And I'm not very sure why Samsung has done this. This may be temporary. With the next expected beta or directly the stable version, we may get this wipe cache partition option back. But at the moment, this is not really good. Let's hope that Samsung brings back this feature. Now, I'm pretty sure not everyone will be performing the wipe cache partition method, but sometimes you will have to perform this just to make your device run smoother and better. So this is a very important option that we have. And now Samsung has removed it on the Galaxy S25 series. Let's hope they bring it back. Now, let me quickly show you how you can wipe the cache partition here. Now, first, let me just restart the phone here. Let me just power it off. Instead of doing anything here, I'll power it off and I'll boot this normally later. Now on the S24 Ultra, let me go ahead and show you how to wipe the cache partition. Now we have got this option, wipe data factory reset. Don't touch that. Wipe cache partition option. You can navigate this option by using the volume up and down button. Once you select wipe cache partition, press on the side key here to select it. It says wipe cache. This cannot be undone. No, yes. Now I'll just select yes and just press the side key again. And here at the bottom, it says the cache has been wiped or the cache wipe complete. That's all you need to do. It's just a couple of steps and this makes the phone run definitely smoother. Some people think this is useless. This is just a myth, but believe me guys, this is one of the options to make your phone run better. When you clear the cache, all the unwanted broken cache will also get cleared, which is very essential. Once you do this, all you need to do is reboot the system now. By default, it is selected. I'll just press on the side key here. Now the phone will reboot and your phone should work slightly better. So let's hope that Samsung brings this feature back on the Galaxy phones. For some reason, they have removed it on the Galaxy S25 series, only on the One UI 8.5 beta. But on the stable version of S25 series, you should be able to see this option. Only on the beta version, it is now disappeared. That's all I want to share with you guys. I wanted to just keep you informed about what's happening with this particular update on the One UI 8.5. We are expecting another beta. It seems that on the Samsung servers, people are able to see another beta version. So we will have to wait for the next beta, and then only we'll be able to get the stable version of One UI 8.5, which is expected probably by the end of March or probably by the beginning of April. Let's hope we get it as soon as possible. I will keep you posted as soon as we get the update. There are some amazing contents coming up on the Galaxy S26 series as well. Go ahead and check out the channel and be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The app link is in the description. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.